change. Didn't know how to be strong. I was barely hanging on, thinking if there's a light inside, why can't I turn it on? Kept it all in till it cracked under your weight. I promised myself